Valentine's Day special maneuver of the Red Bull Aerobatics team wherein they created the shape of heart in the clear blue sky. The spectators went spellbound by the team's breathtaking aerobatics. We just saw a perfectly curated heart in the air, and that's how this shape was drawn by the smoke flares of Extreme Air SBAC 342 aircraft. Here we can see how gracefully one aircraft is simultaneously rotating and revolving around the two other partner planes. Breathtaking, wasn't it? Here comes the rotational vertical charge followed by gravitational free fall. Wow, wasn't that beautiful? All four aircrafts can be seen charging ahead while making 360-degree rotation amidst the clear blue sky. Well, that's synchronization of the highest order breed. The Red Bull Aerobatics team is assembled from the most accomplished and experienced aviation experts. They specialize in highly coordinated aerial jump ANF flight demonstrations and continually push the limits of human flight. The Flying Bulls Aerobatics team is a Czech aerobatic team. This team flies 4 Extreme Air SBAC 342 aircraft, painted in the colors of their sponsor, Red Bull Energy Drink. The Red Bull team planes use white smoke generators during air shows. If you found the video interesting and informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until then, take care.